We get a customer who's interested in a machine or end-of-line packaging or something, we first need to understand what they need and come up with a proposal for them of what we think we can build for them. And that proposal also includes some drawing or concept that represents what we're proposing. So
a lot of what we do is for very specific automation. So no machine learning is part of what we've been doing in the past. But it's not to say that maybe we would include AI in a lot of vision applications where a product needs to be looked at or inspected. And so AI involving vision has been something that we've definitely been a part of and looking towards in future projects.
But newer technologies, such as the collaborative robots that we work with, will go ahead and allow workers and robots to go interact much more closely. A robot can go do an operation and hand something off to an operator, for example, making people more efficient.
Okay, how would you describe the daily life at Winexia?
Crazy. What we do is very custom, so every day brings new challenges. These aren't things that we've necessarily done the exact same thing before. So there's almost always a new engineering challenge, a new design obstacle to overcome, or something hasn't gone together quite like we expected it to. So we have to make adjustments and refine things as we go. So I say crazy, but it actually makes for a pretty exciting environment.
What's your favorite project or anything?
My favorite project that we've ever done. So I love everything that involves this collaborative technology just because it's so hands-on, it's very easy.
And that concludes our visit to Winexia. Thank you so much to Winexia for showing us how they create custom solutions for businesses and manufacturing.